Hi, Jake. How are you?
Hello, Emma. I'm fine, thanks.
It's good to see you.
Good to see you too.
How was your weekend?
It was great. I went shopping.
That sounds fun.
Yes, I bought a new jacket.
Nice. What color is it?
It's blue, my favorite color.
Blue is a good color.
Thank you. How was your weekend?
It was quiet. I stayed home.
Did you watch TV?
Yes, and I read a book.
What book did you read?
A mystery story.
I like mysteries too.
We have similar taste.
Yes, we do. Are you busy now?
No, I'm free. Why?
Want to get coffee?
Yes, I'd love to.
Great. Let's go to that cafe.
Good idea. I'm ready.
Let's go then.
Introducing yourself, Maria and Daniel. Hello, my name is Maria.
Hi, I'm Daniel.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Spain. And you?
I'm from Canada.
Do you live here now?
Yes, I moved here last month.
I've been here for 1 year.
Do you like it here?
Yes, I like it very much.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher. What about you?
I work in a bank.
Do you like your job?
Yes, it's interesting.
My job is fun too.
How old are you?
I'm 28. And you?
I'm 30.
Do you have any hobbies?
I like playing tennis. You?
I enjoy reading books.
It was nice talking to you.
You too. See you again.
Talking about someone, Liam and Zoe. Do you know Eric?
Yes, I know him.
What is he like?
He's very nice.
Is he tall?
Yes, he is.
What color is his hair?
Black.
Does he wear glasses?
No, he doesn't.
Is he married?
Yes, he is.
Does he have children?
Yes, 1 son and 1 daughter.
How old are they?
They're 5 and 7.
What does Eric do?
He's a teacher.
Where does he work?
At the high school.
Is he a good teacher?
Yes, very good.
Do you like him?
Yes, he's my friend.
Do you like him?
Yes, he's my friend.
How long have you known him?
For 10 years.
That's a long time.
Yes, we met in college.
Will I meet him soon?
Yes, at my party next week.
Great. I want to meet him.
He wants to meet you too. Taking a taxi, Alex and driver Mr. Patel. Taxi. Can you stop, please?
Yes. Where would you like to go?
To the airport, please.
Which airport?
The international airport.
Okay, I know the way.
How long will it take?
About 30 minutes.
Is there a lot of traffic?
Not too bad right now.
How much will it cost?
About $25.
Can I pay with a credit card?
Yes, I accept credit cards.
Thank you. Is this your car?
Yes, it's my taxi.
It's very clean.
Thank you. I clean it every day.
Do you work long hours?
Yes, I start at 6 a.m.
That's early.
Yes, but I like my job.
We're almost there, right?
Yes, just 5 more minutes.
Thank you for the ride.
You're welcome. That's $23.50.
Here's $25. Keep the change.
Thank you. Have a good flight.
Asking for clarification, Leo and stranger. Excuse me. Can you repeat that?
Yes. Turn right at the corner.
Right or left?
Right. Not left.
Thank you. How far is it?
About 2 blocks.
2 blocks. That's not far.
Yes, it's very close.
What was the name again?
Central Park Restaurant.
Can you spell that?
CNTRALPARK.
Thank you. Is it expensive?
What do you mean by expensive?
More than $20 per person?
No, about $15 per person.
That's good. What time does it open?
Sorry, what did you ask?
What time does it open?
It opens at 11 a.m.
And it closes?
It closes at 10 p.m.
I didn't understand. 10 p.m.?
Yes, 10 o'clock at night.
Now I understand. Thank you.
You're welcome. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thanks for your help.
No problem.
Buying clothes, Nina and sales clerk.
Can I help you?
Yes, I need a new shirt.
What size do you wear?
Medium.
What color do you like?
Blue or green?
We have this blue shirt.
It looks nice. How much is it?
$25.
Can I try it on?
Yes, the fitting room is there.
Thank you.
How does it fit?
It's too big. Do you have a small?
Yes. Here's a small blue shirt.
Thank you. I'll try this one.
Take your time.
This fits much better.
It looks good on you.
I'll take it. Where do I pay?
At the counter over there.
Do you take credit cards?
Yes, we take all cards.
Great. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Anything else?
No, just the shirt today.
Enjoy your new shirt.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.
Asking about someone's day, Chloe and Ben. Hi, how was your day?
It was good. How about yours?
My day was busy.
What did you do today?
I worked all day.
Where do you work?
I work in a store.
Do you like your job?
Yes, it's nice. I meet many people.